We've recently introduced numeric formatting in both pop-up and table view. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here I have a global relief model from NOAA, and I can go over here in the style editor and simply turn on the pop-ups by clicking on this plus icon. Now if I click directly on the map, you can see I get this number right here, which is actually reflecting the elevation in meters. I want to change the formatting here and just make this a little bit more evident. Well, you can do that down here now in this format section. So I'll click on default here. That's going to show me this little dialog box where I can customize this to my heart's content. And I have a nice little preview over here in the right. So first I will click here and make sure I have decimal places set to 0. And for units, I want to make a prefix where I can type in the word elevation with a space. And then for suffix, I will add an M here. And then I can go ahead and check this checkbox for thousands separators. And here, if everything looks good in our preview, I can save this out, and there we go. We now have our formatted pop-up. And what's really cool, under the show drop-down menu, I can actually change this to on hover and click, and now I get this really cool display. Now let me show you how to do this in table view. Here I've got a different layer. This is showing some rivers in India. I'm gonna click on the view data button right here in the style editor, and then we have all of these different columns. Let's take a look at the length here in kilometers. Let's say I want to reformat this. So all I need to do is click on the column header and select format, and now we have the same view once again. But this time I'm going to change the decimal places to 2, and I'll simply type in length, and I'm going to add a space at the end of that, and then over here I will type in kilometers. Go ahead and save that, and now you can see the formatting is reflected right here. Now if I don't like this, I want to change it, I can always jump back in here and simply reset the formatting, or I could jump into this drop down menu, change it to a %, or even customize it here using specific code. Now if you want to learn about this code and see what's possible, you can click through here to see the documentation.